Is it real or is it fake? Let's find out. Daily Ads is a traffic platform built around link rotators, banner ads, text ads, mailers, community-driven traffic pools, and multi-level commissions. It's positioned as a simple way to get traffic, especially for beginners who feel stuck or overwhelmed. But here's the truth. Daily Ads gives you clicks, not customers, and in 2026, these two things are not the same. So who created Daily Ad's 2026 review? The truth you need before joining. Daily Ad is run by marketers who come from the world of safe lists, traffic exchanges, mailers, downline builders, and rotators. This is the old school traffic world. High volume, low intent. Nothing wrong with that, but it's not the kind of traffic that builds a real business. What it gives you and what it doesn't. What it gives you? Clicks, impressions, exposure, a place to promote multiple links, and a community of people also promoting the links. What it does not give you: buyer intent traffic, a real funnel, follow-up, mentorship, duplication, a long-term strategy, and a system that converts cold traffic into customers, especially the safe lists, because those type of things, they're just trying to get to their ad so they can they can get their impressions, you know what I mean? So they're not motivated to click on, find out more about your business, Does that make sense? Daily Ads gives you motion, not progress, and that's where most beginners get stuck. Why traffic alone won't build your business in 2026. Why Daily Ads 2026 review fails. This is the part nobody tells beginners. Traffic is not the problem. Traffic has never been the problem. The real problem is most people don't have anything in place that can turn traffic into income. They're missing a real offer, a real funnel, a real follow system, a real community, a real mentor, a real duplication plan, and a real business model. So even in if Daily Ads gives you 10,000 clicks, nothing will happen. Because traffic without a system is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. What smart marketers actually do with traffic. This is where the game changes. Smart marketers don't chase traffic. They prepare for it. They build a funnel that converts cold traffic. Not hype, not spam. A real funnel with a clear message, a simple path, and a beginner-friendly flow. A follow system that does the heavy lifting, because most sales happen after the click. That's very important. A real trafficker with real offer, not a traffic toy, not a rotator, not a hope this works program. A duplication system, so beginners don't have to figure it out. A mentor who's actually present, not someone who disappears after the sale. Have you ever been ghosted? A long-term business model, not a short-term dopamine hit. This is the difference between people who make money and people who stay stuck in traffic loops. Who Daily Ads 2026 review is for. Daily Ads for people who want to test low-cost traffic, enjoy mailers and exchanges, want a simple way to promote multiple links, don't expect buyer intent traffic, or want to experiment without pressure. It's a sandbox, not a business. Who it's not for. Daily Ads is not for people who want predictable income, buyer intent traffic, a real funnel, a real system, a real mentor, a real business they can scale, and long-term stability. If you've been burned before, trust your instinct. This isn't the thing that fixes your business. The final verdict. Daily Ads is fine for what it is. A traffic toy, a place to experiment, a place to get clicks, a place to test links. But it will not build your business, create predictable income, turn traffic into customers, give you long-term stability, help you scale, or fix the real problem beginners face. Traffic is not the solution. Traffic is the last step, not the first. If you don't have a system in place, traffic will only make the problem louder. The system I use to actually turn traffic into income. If you're tired of chasing traffic that never converts, here's the truth most beginners never hear. Traffic only works when you plug it into a real system. A system that trains you, supports you, duplicates for you, and actually turns clicks into customers. That's the system I use. If you want to see how it works and why it's the only thing that gave me stability after being burned too many times, tap the link below and take a look for yourself. No pressure, no hype, just a system that actually makes traffic worth something. Now look at this. U.S.-based employers announced 108,435 job cuts in January 2026, up 118% from a year ago, a new report showed. This is due to AI and companies hiring newbies off the street. Okay, if you don't think your job is a risk, you're sadly mistaken. Okay, no offense, knock on wood, but that's the truth. Okay, people are being fired for long-term jobs. That's the highest number of job cuts for the month of January since 2009. Okay, they hired just 500,306. See, the difference is 103,000 people, okay? That's crazy, right? But you get to this page, right? You put your best name, your name, and your best email address, and you say, yes, I want in. You follow the steps, okay? And you get to a place like this, okay? We have so much training, it's not even funny, okay? Team Freedom Warriors, we have so many bonuses that you can duplicate. They don't just become your bonuses, they become your people's bonuses and their people's bonuses, okay? And these are the simple steps I do every day to rank my videos, sometimes before they even are published, okay? A lot of times. You post, check one term out, like, for example, right here, the Daily Ads 2026 review, and you'll see multiple videos. Some with not even the same name of the company, right? Simple steps, and you can meet this person, the program head, live 5 days a week, okay? And let's say somebody, this is another bonuses I didn't mention, okay? For $7, the $7 program that comes for free, by the way, no matter what level you get in, okay? You buy the duplication formula, boom. $3,000, somebody buys it, you get $1,500, 50% to your Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Walmart to Walmart. Hell, if you want gold or silver, you can do that, okay? It's up to you how you get paid your 50% of $3,000. Then there's other levels, which are $2,000, that's $1,000 for you. Elite Marketer, which is $600, that's $300 for you. Inner Circle, which is $100, that's $50 for you. At $60, that's $30 for you. Instant payments to you, peer-to-peer payments for whatever payment method. Okay? So many bonuses you can not only give to your people, but you can get them from me, and you can give them to your people, and they can give them to their people. That's what creates duplication. And your people will be trained for you, okay? We'll build you a custom branded funnel for your primary business, okay? This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood solid man. Don't delay, get with JJ today. And this is another, why I'm doing this, why am I doing these blogs, right? Why am I reading these blogs? Because these blogs will rank within days, okay, on Google, okay? I'm even ranking my posts that I'm doing on like Facebook and Instagram, etc. The first 2 or 3 were ranked on the second or third page of Google for the actual blog, but the Instagram post was ranked on the first page of Google, okay? Now, I'm ranking on YouTube, so you're going to keep seeing my face over and over and over again until you take me serious and join me. And if you join me at all 3 residual levels, I'll even buy traffic for both of us, and I'll keep scaling over and over and over again, okay? I'll help you build your primary business, and you can get your people trained, and they can get their people trained, and you can make even more money, okay? That's how you build a real business. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.